Hello, this is a lecture number 4 for the chapter Statistics for the class 11th. And in the last lecture, we have done up to question number 4 of the exercise 15.1. Now in question number 5. In question number 5, you have to find the mean deviation about the mean of the following data in question number 5 and 6, which is the group data in which the class interval is not given. So in question number 5, what data is given? The xi is given, that is 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25, and its frequency is 7, 4, 6, 3 and 5. You have to find the mean deviation about the mean. So to find the mean deviation about the mean, we find its mean. पहले हम इसका mean find करेंगे. You can use a shortcut method. Let us say its di is xi minus assumed mean, and the assumed mean I am taken as 6. So let us take the assumed mean as 6. So xi will be 5 minus assumed mean is 6 we have taken. So 7 minus 6, it is assumed mean we have taken. We have to take from this xi. So this is the assumed mean. So 5 minus 15, which is coming out to be minus 10. Then this is 10 minus 15, it is equal to minus 5. Then 0, 10 minus 15 is 5, and 25 minus 15 is 10. This is the di. We can find this is a shortcut method to find the mean. Fi into di, तो multiply करिए इसको, it will be minus 70. Then we have minus 20, this into this 6, 5 into 3, that is 15, that is 50, and the sum of this is coming minus 90 plus 65, it is coming out to be minus 25. So first of all, find its mean. We know the mean by the shortcut method in which the class interval is not given. Assumed mean summation fi di, assumed mean is 15, and summation fi di upon summation fi, and the total frequency here is 25. Addition of this, so it will be minus 25 upon 25. This is coming out to be how much? 14. 15 minus 1, 14. Then again आपको क्या करना है इसमें xi minus assume mean को minus करना है, and then you have to multiply with the frequency. The mean is 14. तो xi ये वाला कॉमन है, 5 minus 14, 10 minus 14, 15 minus 14, 20 minus 14, 20 minus 14, and taking the mod. So you'll get 9, 4, 3, it is 1, 15 minus 14, 20 minus 14, that is 6, and 11. Then multiply with the frequency, this column and this column. So it will be how much? 63. Then we'll have 16. Then we have 6. Multiply with this with 3, that is 18 and 55, and the sum of this is coming out to be 158, which is sigma fi xi minus x bar. So the mean deviation about the mean is, we know it, summation fi into xi minus x bar divided by total frequency. So it is 158 divided by total frequency, which is coming out to be 6.32 is the mean deviation about the mean of this group data in which the class interval is not given. You can use the direct method to find the mean, fi into sigma fi into xi upon sigma fi. Now question number 6 is just same as question number 5. Now 7, you have to find the mean deviation about the median of this given data, which is the group data in which the class interval is not given. So this is given. Its frequency is 8, 6, 2, 2, 2 and 6. Now to find the median, you have to find its cumulative frequency, which is, you know it, 8. First off same रहता है, 8 plus 6, 14, 2 plus 14, 16, 2 plus 16, 18, 20 and 26. This is 26. So to find the median, we know it, the formula is n by 2th term plus n by 2 plus 1th term divided by 2. तो n is 26, तो 26 upon 2 30th term plus 14th term upon 2. You know how you have to find the median. 15th term will be in which 14th term is this. From up to 9 term it is this, and from 9 to 14 it is this. So the 13th term is also 7 and the 14th term is also equal to 7. So up to 14 term it is up to this. So it is 7 plus 7 upon 2, which is coming out to be 7. So the median of this group data without class interval is 7. To find the mean deviation about the mean, first of all you have to find the xi minus median. Then you have to multiply with xi with frequency. Here the median is coming out to be 7. हमने यहाँ पे median इसका 7 निकाला है. So xi minus median, that is 5 minus 7, that is 2. ये आपका 2 आ जाएगा. That is 7 minus 7 0, 9 minus 2 7 is 2, 10 minus 7 is 3, and 5 and 8. And to multiply this with the frequency, 8 into 2 that is 16, 6 into 0 that is 0, 2 into 2 that is 4, 2 into 3 is 6, 2 into 5 it is 10, and 6 into this 48, and the sum of this is 84. So the mean, and it is summation fi into xi minus median ka mod. So the mean deviation about the median is summation fi xi minus median upon summation fi. So it is equal to 84 divided by 26, which is coming out to be 3.23 approximately. So this is how you have to find the mean deviation about the median, which is the question number 7 and 8. So you do the question number question number 8, which is just as question number 7. Now in question number 8 you have to find the mean deviation about the median for the group data in which the class interval is given. So you can find the mean here by the shortcut method. So the data 8, the class interval is given as 0 to 100, then 100 to 200, 200 to 300, 300 to 400, 400 to 500, 500 to 600, and 600 to 700, and 700 to 800. This is the data is given, and the frequency of this is given as how much? The frequency is given as 4, 8, 9, 10, 7, 5, 4, 3. Now to find the mean, first of all you will find the class marks, and the class mark is lower limit plus limit upper limit upon 2, that is 50. ये हो जाएगा आपका 150, then 250, then 350, 450, 550, 650, and 750. So we find the mean by the shortcut method. In that you have to find the assumed mean. तो यहाँ पर आप assumed mean 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can take the assumed mean here as either 350 or 450. So this is the assumed mean. So we will find the ui, which is equal to xi minus assumed mean upon class size. Class size is 100. As I already told you in the previous lecture, तो xi is 50 minus 350 upon 100, that is minus 3, और अगर आपको it will be minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. इसके आगे 0 आता है, 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So this is ui. Then you have to multiply this to find the mean fi with ui. Fi को ui से multiply करना है स्क्वायर से, तो minus 12, minus 16, minus 8, 0, 7 into 1, 7, 5 into 2, that is 10, 4 into 3, that is 12, 3 into 4, that is 12. We are making this column to find the mean, and the sum of this is coming out to be 4. तो हमें mean निकालने का फॉर्मूला आता है, that is mean is assumed mean summation fi ui upon summation fi into class size. तो हम assumed mean हमने 350 माना था, सम इसका 4 है, टोटल फ्रीक्वेंसी हेयर इज हाउ मच? ये हमारा 50 है टोटल फ्रीक्वेंसी इज 50 एंड इनटू क्लास साइज. सो 358 is the mean of this group data. 358 is the mean of this group data. सो अब इसका हम मीन डेविएशन अबाउट द मीन निकालेंगे। सबसे पहले आप निकालते हैं एक्स आई माइनस एक्स बार का मॉड, और मीन यहाँ पे 358 है। देन नेक्स्ट कॉलम में आप इसको फ्रीक्वेंसी से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे। सो फाइंड द डिफरेंस। एक्स आई ये है तो 350 माइनस 358 हो जाएगा आपका 308। तो लाइक दिस यू फाइंड द डिफरेंस। आप यहाँ पर डिफरेंस फाइंड करिए। द डिफरेंस विल बी 308, then 208, it will be 108, then it will be 8, then 92, then 192, ये xi में से हम माइनस कर रहे हैं, 650 minus 358, it will be 292, and then we have 392. So this is, and you have to multiply this with fi. अब इसको इस कॉलम से, इस फ्रीक्वेंसी से मल्टीप्लाई करिए। 308 into 4, so this is coming out to be 1232. Similarly multiply this with 9, so you will that 1664, then we have 972, then 80, this into 10, then we have 644, then 960, then 1168 and 1176. Add it and you are getting this as 7896. आप प्रॉपरली ऐड करो, टेक योर टाइम। सो ये क्या होता है डाटा? दिस इज एफ आई इंटू एक्स आई माइनस एक्स, प्रोडक्ट का सम है। तो मीन डेविएशन का फॉर्मूला आपको पता है, समेशन एफ आई एक्स आई माइनस एक्स बार का मीन को टोटल फ्रीक्वेंसी से डिवाइड करते हैं। सो 7896 divided by frequency here is 50, divided by 50, you will get this mean deviation as about the median is coming out to be 157.92 approximately. Mean deviation about the median. This is the mean deviation about the median for the group data in which the class interval is given. Now similarly we'll find the mean deviation about the median when the class interval is given, and this is the question number 11 and 12. Now question number 10 you do yourself. So I'm taking the 11 where it is given that I'm taking 12 now. Now the data here is given as 16 to 20. Class interval is given as 16 to 20, 21 to 25, 26 to 30, 31 to 35, 36 to 40, 41 to 45, 46 to 50, and 51 to 55. Now because the class interval is not continuous, so first of all I'll convert the data into continuous. You know it, how to make it. You have to subtract 0.5 from the lower limit and add 0.5 to the upper limit. So it will be 15.5 to 20.5, 20.5 to 25.5, 25.5 to 30.5, 30.5 to 35.5, 30.5 to 40.5, 40.5 to 45.5, 45.5 to 50.5, and 50.5 to 55.5, and the frequency of this data is given as 5, 6, 12, 14, 26, 12, 16 and 9. It is equal to 10. We are finding the median first of all, then you'll find the mean deviation about the median. So to median find करने के लिए you'll find the cumulative frequency, which is 5 as it is, 6 plus 5 11, 11 plus 12 23, 23 plus 14 37, 37 plus 26 it is 63, then 675, then it is 91 and 100. So this is the cumulative frequencies. Now to find the मीडियन, इट इज़ द इवन टर्म्स। तो मीडियन फाइंड करने के लिए होता है हम n/2 फाइंड करते हैं। तो n/2 होगा 100/2, दैट इज 15, एंड विल फाइंड इन which is the median class. So 50 is coming in which class interval? This. Up to 37 it is 37, it is this column class interval, and from 38 to 63 is this column. So this is the median class. You know how to find the median. So ये आपका frequency हो जाता है, ये आपका cumulative frequency, and this is the lower limit of this median class. So the median is the formula L plus n by 2 minus C अपॉन f इंटू क्लास साइज। तो लोअर लिमिट है आपकी 35.5, ये आपका n/2 50 आया था, क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी आपकी 37 है, फ्रीक्वेंसी आपकी 26 है एंड द क्लास साइज आपका 100 है। सो दिस इज द मीडियन ऑफ दिस डाटा which is coming out to be, solve करने पर this is coming out to be how much it is 38 यार है। solve it yourself। so median of this data is 38। इस डाटा का जो मीडियन आ रहा है it is equal to 38। the class size here is 5, क्लास साइज 5 का है। सो दिस इज द मीडियन 38। टू फाइंड द मीन डेविएशन आपको पता है सबसे पहले आप क्या करते हैं, एक्स आई में से मीडियन का मॉड निकालते हैं, देन फ्रीक्वेंसी से इसको मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं। सो एक्स आई इज दिस डाटा। तो एक्स आई हमारे पास नहीं है, पहले हम एक्स आई को फाइंड करेंगे। एक्स आई मिड वैल्यूज होती हैं, तो एक्स आई इज द मिड वैल्यू। टू फाइंड द मिड वैल्यू और क्लास मार्क विच इज कमिंग आउट टू बी 18, दोनों को ऐड करके 2 से डिवाइड करो। 23, 28, 33, 38, 43, 48 and 53. This is then xi minus median, then multiply with the frequencies and find the product. तो xi minus median आप करेंगे, xi ये रहा, median हमने 37, तो उसका mod it is 20 आ जाएगा। कितना है 38 minus 18 20, then 15 आएगा, this is 10, then 5, then 0, ये अब 5 आ जाएगा, ये 10 and 53 minus 38 it is 15। मल्टीप्लाई विद द फ्रीक्वेंसी, इसको आप फ्रीक्वेंसी से मल्टीप्लाई करिए, 15 into 10 that is 100, 90, 120, 70, 0, 60, 160 and 135। टोटल सम इसका 735 आ रहा है। ये क्या होता है आपका, ये होता है समेशन एफ आई इंटू एक्स आई माइनस मीडियन का। तो मीन डेविएशन होता है समेशन एफ आई एक्स आई माइनस मीडियन का अपॉन टोटल फ्रीक्वेंसी। तो इसका सम कितना है 735। टोटल फ्रीक्वेंसी हमारे पास कितना है, इट इज़ 100। सो दिस इज कमिंग आउट टू बी 7.35 mean deviation about the median. So this is a completion of the exercise 15.1. We'll continue the next lecture. Thank you.